In race 2, we saddled Arctic Owl and Sylvan Warrior. Sylvan Warrior, the 1,000 might be a bit short, but he is improving and hopefully he'll be running on into the money. Arctic Owl showed quite good speed last time with the blinkers. We've dropped him down to 1,000 meters and we're hoping that he can run a decent race in a competitive field. In race 3, we've got Captain Salvi. She's a lovely filly. She showed quite good speed on debut. She ran in the mud, heavy conditions. Racing was cancelled after that race, so the track was really heavy and she just tired a bit late. With natural improvement after having the run, I think she'll be right there. In race 7, we've got Scars of War, a very talented filly. She went wrong after her last start in KZN, but she's sound, she's doing well. She's quite a big filly, so I'm expecting her to need the run, but she's a filly to follow. In race 9, we've got Kisotin. She missed quite a lot of work with the rain, and she's quite a big burly filly. I'm expecting her to need the run.